Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, it is a sunset inspired look, and I used like 3 palettes for this look, but it was worth it. If you want to see how I did this, get this glow, get this contour, this lip gloss, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just did my brows off camera. We're going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape for concealer and for our primer for our eyeshadow. And then we're just going to go ahead and blend that out with a beauty blender. To set our brows and concealer, we're just going to be using the Anastasia contour kit and using the banana colored. Okay, to set off the sunset look, we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're going to be using this like yellowish orange color. And we're going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Hill. And then we're going to go in with Venetian Red and Love Letter. So we're going to mix these two together. And when you mix those two, you're just going to go and dab that shit right there before blending it. Now it looks so gross, but trust me, it'll look better. We're gonna go ahead and use a different brush to blend it out. We're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this dark shade right here. We're going to use this purple color by the Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, so I just did my eyeliner and I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Now this shit is the shit because it works so well with like glitter makeup and stuff. And it just goes on and it doesn't fade or anything or creases. So y'all get this thing. We are just gonna go ahead and curl our lashes and put on some mascara. Do you see that lift? Oh my god. Oh my god. For lashes, we're gonna go and use the Ardell Fox Mink lashes in the number 811. These little cuties right here. While I let the lash glue dry, what I like to do is kind of like fold them, I don't know if you can tell, and then just kind of round it so that it shapes the eye better, since our eyes aren't straight or like the curve of it. Okay, so we are done with the eyes. For primer, we're going to be using the Professional Matte Rescue, and this is that blue gel. Now we are going to use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and the Fenty Beauty foundation in 310. This is my summer color, but we're still going to use it and mix it with this. I'm just going to use this flat brush just to lay the Fenty Beauty one on her skin. And blend the rest with the Beauty Blender. Now we're just going to buff everything out with the Real Technique Expert Face Brush and spray that with a little bit of the rose water. Now we are just going to set our face with the Coty Airspun, and this is in translucent. I'm just going to put that all over and let this sit for a little bit. Ooh. Okay, so after letting this sit for a little bit, We're gonna wipe this off with just a fluffy brush, the same fluffy brush that I use all the time in contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit with an angled brush, and use, of course, these two colors. We are going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Unstoppable. We are going to use the Artiste Couture highlighter in Diamond Glow. Do you see that? I think you do. We're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Last but not least, we are going to go ahead and set our face with the NYX Matte Finish. And then we're also going to set with the Aloe and Cucumber Spray, the green one. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.